Okay, if you're in Oahu, you have to do this. It's Koko Head.
Welcome to Jim and Julie's Adventures. While on our yearly vacation to Oahu, we did the Koko Head Stairs Hike. In this video, we will give you some information about the hike, show you some great footage of the stairs and the views, and take you along for the hike.
The Koko Head Stairs Hike is 1.5 miles round trip with 1,000 feet of elevation gain. The hike consists of 1,048 steps made from railroad ties that run along the crater's west side to the top of Koko Crater. The steps were put in place during World War II when they were used as part of an inclined tram to transport supplies to a lookout post at the summit. There is a Google marker for the parking lot in the description. The path to the stairs is to the right of the baseball field.
This hike is a popular hike for locals and tourists alike. This is a challenging hike and there is almost no shade. Know your fitness level and prepare accordingly. Be sure and bring water and start early when it's cooler or later in the day when you are not exposed directly to the sun. And remember to wear proper footwear. And remember, it's a challenge, not a race. At the top of the stairs, there is a landing to your left. They have added stairs that go further up to the lookout on the summit. You can continue up those stairs or take a trail around the side to get to the lookout. The lookout gives you a bird's eye view of the whole area. This is a popular hike to do for sunrise. Let's get started on this hike. I used 2 cameras on this hike and Jim followed with the drone.
Okay, I'm starting.
Jim and I were talking on the phone while I was hiking.
It's gonna be hot.
We edited these 3 camera views together to show you what to expect on this hike, at least as good as you can get from watching it on video. As Jim was following me with the drone, there were a few people who spotted it and waved, and I even had a guy flex for us.
Oh gosh, it's hot. It's hot.
Leave a comment if you counted how many times I said, "It's hot." Halfway up, there is a bridge portion that is about 20 feet off the ground for about 120 feet.
I'm at the bridge. So there's no one in front of me. I'm gonna wait and then I might go over it.
The bridge section can be avoided by taking Murphy's Bypass, which is a trail that goes around the bridge section. I took the bypass on the way down, which I will show later in the video. I waited till nobody was on the bridge so I wouldn't have to stop.
Okay, I'm going, hun.
I'm actually afraid of heights. I think what makes this part scary is you can only step on the railroad ties because there's no ground beneath like the rest of the stairs, and you can see how far it is to the ground. I held on to some of the branches along the way to give me the feeling of stability and balance.
Okay, it's not that bad.
Coming down is even harder for me because by then my legs are tired. I have actually seen some people scoot down this part.
Oh gosh, it gets steeper. Almost there. Hold on. You got this. Okay, I did it.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Hi! Hi!
They're waving at you.
Is that yours?
Yeah. Everybody's on camera. Wave. Oh, there's some guy flexing for you.
For me.
Okay, I'm at 10. This one is hot. I hear you.
A lot of people like to time themselves going up. I was told by a local that the record is 8 minutes. It usually takes me less than 30 minutes. As you can see in the drone footage, about the last quarter of the way up, it gets steeper. This is where you have to power through and you're almost there. One of the famous tourist spots in Oahu is Leonard's Bakery, which makes Portuguese donuts. The main location is in Waikiki, but they do have a food truck in Hawaii Kai that is close to the hike. We always stop and get some either before the hike for energy or after the hike as a reward.
I'm only eating this because I'm hiking that Koko Head.
There is a Google marker in the description for where the food truck is parked.
It's so hot. There's no shade. I keep hiding in the trees.
We do this hike every year when we come to Oahu, and I did it twice on this trip. Another great hike we usually do every year when we come to Oahu is the Pillbox hike near Lanikai Beach. That hike is another great sunrise hike and has epic views.
I have to get to that block. The next block. Three. Last block. Almost there. Okay. I'm at the platform. Did it.
I turned around at the landing. Jim and I went to the lookout the first time we did the hike, and the footage from that is at the beginning of this video. On my way down, I took the bypass rather than go over the bridge. It involves climbing down some rocks and steps, but it's better than the bridge if you're not comfortable with that. I think more people take the bypass than go over the bridge. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. We have some more videos from our Hawaii trip coming up, so consider subscribing if you want to see those.